Happy holidays, ladies. Oh my gosh, that's the last time that I'm gonna be able to say that for 2023. New Year's Eve is the time to say, bring it on to glimmer, shimmer, and everything glittery. We love that. Looking online, there are some really gorgeous New Year's Eve makeup looks, but as most of us know, glitter can go very wrong very quickly unless you're a professional makeup artist. I got you covered. I've got 3 simple makeup looks for New Year's Eve anybody can nail. It's just a matter of using shimmer and glimmer in a few key strategic places and playing with your lip color. That's it. Let's start. There are 2 things you're going to need: a good primer and a good setting spray. Primer smooths the skin for easier application. It gives skin a backlit glow, and most importantly, it allows the makeup to grip to your face. The setting spray is going to help your makeup to stay on longer and look perfect all night. I start my New Year's Eve makeup the exact same way I do makeup any other day. Primer, foundation, my under eye concealer. Notice with my concealer that I apply it in a triangle shape under the eyes, along the bridge of my nose, on my third eye, and around the nose. These are the key highlighting places that are gonna give the face a little more lift and glow. I fill in the brows, I line my eyes in the waterline, and I give it a very light dusting of loose powder just along the T-zone. Okay, number 1 look is called Glow and Go. This is gonna give a luminous, gorgeous glow. I'm using Ilia liquid highlighting fluid. I squirt a blob on the back of my hands. I pat a little onto the highest parts of my cheekbones, the bridge and tip of my nose, my eyelids, and a little on the cupid's bow. This is gonna give a luminous, glowy, gorgeous glow. Finally, the centerpiece is a dramatic red lip. I line my lips with a red liner in the same shade as the lip gloss. I fuzz it slightly with my fingers so we don't have a harsh line. Then I apply my red lip color. I am using Chanel. I'll put the link in the description box. Any red that you feel looks phenomenal on you works great. And that's it. I think that this is a really beautiful look. It's one of my personal favorites because it's so minimalistic, and a red lip or a berry lip is the easiest way to look festive New Year's Eve in a flash. And if you want some great New Year's Eve outfit ideas, see the video that I just did featuring 10+ different looks for New Year's Eve. They're all separate so that you could go in your closet and grab things that you already have and pull them together. I will put the link for that in the video description box. You'll be all pretty no matter what you wear. Number 2 is a shimmery bronze and copper look. This is sultry, shimmery, and it's subtly dramatic. Starting with my same makeup base, I apply this shimmery copper color by Chanel. It's a cross between a shadow stick and a liquid shadow. I apply it over the lid area, slightly up to the brow bone. Then quickly, before it dries, I take a clean makeup brush and work lightly to blend it in. Aside from using the right colors for your skin tone, blending is one of the most important aspects of successful makeup application. Harsh lines can make you look way older than what you are, whereas soft, blendable lines are going to look more attractive. Next, I chose a satin lip gloss with just a little bit of a hint of shimmer. This is by Runway Rogue. I use a nude liner that's just a little darker than the gloss, and I think this is super pretty. Option 2, I'm showing a pinky nude lip color. This adds a bit more warmth to my skin. Either one looks great. It's really just a matter of what you prefer. And finally, look number 3 is a rich, smoky eye, New Year's Eve style. I'm using a Stila liquid shadow in this beautiful, rich chocolate brown. Since it's a liquid, I need to work really quickly to blend it. To soften the inevitable harsh line over the brow bone, I take a powder shadow in a similar color tone and blend it over my brow bone. This is just going to soften the look. I'm just looking for a blended, soft look with no harsh lines. Next, I took a liquid gold shadow. This one is by e.l.f. I wanted to add an amped up level of light and sparkle to the center of my lids, and I think this works beautifully. I added my liquid highlighter again to the tops of my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. Now for the lips. I did it 2 ways for you, a nude version and a dark version. First, the nude lip. This is a matte color, and I put a shimmery champagne Bobbi Brown gloss on top just to give her a little extra punch. I felt that the matte look as it stood just sort of washed me out. This works well if you've got a lot going on with your clothes and your jewelry, right? And you want your makeup to be a little more subtle. Option 2, I lined my eyes, including the interior corners, with this gorgeous bronzy gold liquid liner, and I love it. I added a festive dark berry lip, and I think this looks great. It's really pretty. Okay, ladies, that is a wrap for 2023. Please have a healthy, happy, safe New Year's Eve. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. You are why I do what I do. See y'all next year.